Good night, teacher. My name is Rodrigo Campos. My computer is having a problem with the camera. Sorry, teacher. Well, my city is Santiago de Chile. Well, Santiago de Chile is located in the center of the country. One moment, the next image. Because it's the capital of the country. Its climate is temperate. There are many attractive places. The Museum of Fine Arts. Wait a moment. This is the Museum of Fine Art. It's a fascinating place for its culture. There is a so-called monumental stadium that belongs to the most popular soccer team in the country. And my favorite dish is the corn cake. The typical alcoholic drink is the piscola. That costs 10,000 Chilean pesos. Well, teacher, this is my presentation. Well, sorry, by my face. No, I don't can because my computer is, I don't know, but it's trivial. It's complicated. My computer. Sorry, teacher. Good night.